Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and I am Anisha. I hope you enjoyed my previous vlog on India's first igloo stay. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button now. This is the part 1 of my solo trip to Europe vlog series. I traveled to 4 different cities across 4 countries and the first one for this vlog is Prague. The beautiful city of Prague in Czech Republic, also known as the heart of Europe. I've landed at Prague! Yay! Finally! And I'm going towards the baggage claim. Alright, I have packed myself to move out of the airport and experience the chill. Before stepping out of the airport, I got myself a SIM card to help me navigate, and I also got the tickets for the Airport Express to take me to the main train station. So, the hostel that I'm staying at is at a walking distance from the Prague main train station, the Praha Hlavní nádraží. So whenever planning for a new city, you often tend to look for things to do in a city and you tend to get long lists of 10 or 15 things to do. Here is what I think. I think you should pick the top 5 things to do in any city and spend the rest of the time feeling the city by doing a few local things. Now let's go ahead and find out what are the top 5 things to do in Prague. And the first one is Old Town Square. It's located right in the center of Old Town of Prague. It's the heartbeat of Prague. It has also been the setting for many historical events. At the same time, it's incredibly beautiful and charming. Moving on to the next must-see in Prague, in fact the whole of Europe, we have the astronomical clock. The clock was built in 1410 and is the oldest astronomical clock in the world that is still functional. The clock's face has a lot of information for anyone who can read it. The 2 blue doors above the main clock open every hour to reveal the Walk of the Apostles show. Be there when the clock strikes an hour and don't miss it. Moving on to the famous Charles Bridge in Prague. What you see is the Gothic bridge tower, which is at the start of the bridge, and there is one towards the end of the bridge. It's a busy bridge. Each of the statue that you see on the bridge has a Czech folktale associated with it. The bridge was constructed in the 14th century. It was the only means of crossing the river Vltava until 1841. It was the most important connection between the Prague castle and the city's old town. A walk on the Charles Bridge is one of the most enjoyable and memorable experiences of Prague. When it comes to food, there are a couple of must-haves in Prague, but this one's my favorite. Trudelník is usually presented as a traditional Czech cake. It is made from rolled dough that is wrapped around a stick, then grilled, topped with sugar and all the extra toppings of your choice. Moving on to the city's most popular tourist attraction, I am on my way to the Prague Castle. Traditionally, it's been where the rulers lived. Entry to the castle ground is free, but if you want to visit the cathedrals inside, then you have to buy a combined ticket. So behind me you can see the guards, and there is a changing of the guards parade every day at 12 pm. I'm not here for the parade at this moment because I've seen it before, but you must visit. If you are interested in knowing a lot of history about the castle, then I would recommend you to go ahead and buy a ticket and take a guided tour of the castle. This is the back side of the cathedral that we saw in the beginning. Now, this is what a lot of people usually miss. It's right at the exit of the Prague Castle. Grab yourself your favorite drink and enjoy the best view of the city of Prague. If it's winter, hot wine is my recommendation. Walking back to the old town through the vineyards. If you love desserts, find yourself a famous bakery and don't forget to try the apple strudel. After a long walk, here I am at the old town square again. Lastly, I'm going to give you a quick tour of where I stayed. I booked Hostel 1 Home via hostelworld.com, and that's the entrance to my hostel. One thing I did not like about this hostel was that it did not have a lift and I had to carry my luggage through the stairs. That's where the reception is, and all the dorms are on the other side. So let's get inside and see the common room area here and the dorms. So now, one of the things that I really liked about this hostel was that they had social activities planned every evening. Even the rooms were spacious enough. Whenever I travel solo, I prefer booking hostels because I don't really have to take care of planning my evenings. And they took us to this place called Mondays Like Fridays, and they have the Prague's best Monday night parties. This summarizes my day in Prague, and I am headed towards the main train station to catch my train for the next destination. Bye bye Prague, and I am on my way to the next city, Berlin in Germany. I'll see you all in the next video. If you enjoyed the vlog, please like and share this video, and also do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.